Hello, hope you're doing well. So today we are going to learn about Apollo and how to generate leads from Apollo for your business. There are many ways you can use Apollo to generate hundreds of solid leads and increase your business revenue every month. Let's see how it works. Apollo is segmented into two fields. One is people and the other is companies. In companies, you can find people, but you can find, sorry, companies. And in people, you can find people working in those companies. Let's just take a look at companies first. Once you click on companies tab, it will take a few seconds and then it will upload. Okay, now you can see there are a bunch of filters on the left side from where you can narrow down your company search. For example, you have industry. Let's say you want to target information technology, IT services. You click on IT, it will start populating the results. And let's say you want location. Let's click location and change it to somewhere that you want to target. Let's just do it US for that matter. Okay, once we click on this, it will take a few seconds and then upload the number of records. You'll show you the latest number of records that are showing up. Now these are around 500,000. Okay, and let's just see more. Okay, now there are more signal data. Now we have like company list, and now we want to see the companies who are hiring at the moment, who have raised investment, who fall in a certain revenue range, or are growing, or have any publications published into articles and newspapers. On the left side, you will see those filters. For example, you want to see companies who are hiring at the moment. It's going to be the job role. Hiring role, you can see project manager or anything you want to select. You can do that easily. I just selected project manager. It will take a few seconds and then it will refresh with new records. Okay, now we have 3,400 companies almost, which fall under the criteria of companies who are hiring for project manager. And you can adjust the dates if you want. And we can do if the companies have been funded. It shows you different rounds, like if they are angel, series B, venture capitalist, uh, private equity, merger acquisition, you can select any of these. And on the right side, you are seeing the numbers. The companies fall into this criteria. Let's just go to merger and acquisition. So here now we have the company, 323 companies almost. And now let's say we want to find people from these companies. First, we have to save them into the list. We will check mark all of these, select all, and then apply. It will save all the records into the list. And once we have found those companies, we will just go into people because now we wanted to target specific job titles, specific people in those companies so we can sell them our offerings or services. To do that, you have to select the list that you have saved. That's as a company list. So you will save the company, you will select the company list from the options. And once you have selected it, then you will run down more filters. Job title. This is the job title of the decision maker or the person you want to reach out to. You will get a lot of options over here. Let's say we want to target CEOs. So we will just type in and we start giving some options. Let's just select Chief Executive Officer. And then you have more filters on the left side, similar way. In location, you can select the location of the person. Earlier, we selected the location of the company, and here you can select the location of the person. Keywords is going to be if you want to find people who have mentioned something in their companies. Like say, if you're looking for SaaS-based companies, you can type in SaaS or IT services or product-based or subscription-based. This keyword will be matching the company keywords. And then you have more filters on the left side. You can select any of these just to experiment. And once you have those, you will just have to click on, you can access their emails, like you can extract the email addresses just by clicking over here, like access email, or you can do that in bulk as well. You can select all. And once you download this, or put them into the sequence, you can enrich their email addresses. So this is about how you can build lead list using Apollo from company filters and from people filters. Apollo has a huge data. It's in millions, and it has a lot of verified email addresses available. To check the verified email addresses, you have to click on email status and just select verified. So it will only reach out to the verified email addresses, the person who have the verified email addresses. And we always recommend to reach out to only the verified ones. So your email repute or email domain repute stays valid and your emails do not start going into the spam. Next step is going to be creating the sequence, which I'm going to show you in the next video. I will share my school community link. You can join it and we keep updating new methodologies, new techniques to find leads and reach out to them. You can always comment in the comment section if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.